tripping.
Alright, so starting off with the tires first. Order these tires from eBay. In the rear, I'll be running a 275/35 ZR10s. And then in the front, we'll be running a 255/35 ZR19s in the front. So these right here are the WORK Emotion ZR10s. Went with the black face with the machine look. I didn't want to do an all black wheel, but I still wanted to keep it black with a little pop to it. So I ran these rims right here, and they look pretty good. I got the stickers coming. I ordered new center caps, so y'all gonna see all that hooked up together, man. But yeah, man, we finna go get these tires. We finna go get these tires and rims put on, and I'm finna take y'all through this process of this whole build. Hope y'all stay tuned to the video. Let's get right into it. Damn. Oh yeah, that jump. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah. Damn, these hoes nice. Damn. Let me see something real quick. Let me see something. Oh my God. Well, that hoe go. Ooh, shit. So like as y'all see right here, right? So boom, see like it's up in the trunk, it's up in the front like a monster truck, and then you got like the back. With the back, it's not too bad because just off that wheel size and how that is, I don't got to drop the back. I may drop the back I might drop the back probably like 2. I might go like 2 inches in the back, and I might do 3 in the front. I might do like 3 and 2, or I might do 2 and 2. But I think 3 and 2, I'm gonna be scraping a lot because like I told y'all, I got a 1-piece front lip going on, and then I got the ground effects kit, which is, you know, the side skirt, and then you got like the little pillow that goes in the back on that little corner. That's gonna be going on, man. So I don't know how far I'm gonna drop it in the front, but I might do 3 and 2 and just go from there, see how it goes. And then if I need to bring it up one, I'll bring it up one. But I'm 9 out of 10, I'm probably drop like 3 in the front, 2 in the back, because like I told y'all in the beginning, I'm running 275/35 19s in the rear, 255/35 19s in the front. So that's what I might do, man. I might do 3 and 2. Y'all let me know or suggest down below in the comment section what y'all would do or how y'all would drop it. But I think I'm gonna do 3 in the front. The front I always sit up the highest versus the back. The back I might go down. I really may, like looking at it now, I might just drop it. I might drop it 1. I don't know. I feel like 2, I'd be right on the top. I might just drop it down 1 and see what happens. And I might, but still, I think with that front, I think 3 I'd be fine. Like me, just off me trying to calculate like 1, 2, 3. I think I'd be fine with 3 in the front. But I might, it might be 3. It's either gonna be 3 and 2, 3 and 1, or 2 and 1, or 2 and 2. So I don't know yet, but I will let y'all know. And like I said, we got future videos to come. Trying to get it ready for my birthday in April. April 12th. So I'm trying to get the car ready for my birthday. I will be redoing them headlights because I got a bullshit ass kit on there, which I will be doing the video on that, telling y'all which kit I got on there, telling y'all not to buy that bullshit. But yeah, man, it's coming pretty along, man. I got a goal that I want to reach with this car, and I got a look that I want to reach. So I'm just showing y'all right now how it's looking out. I get a lot of compliments now how it sits now, but man, I got so much in store for this car, man. Y'all don't even know how. This thing will be suited and booted. Can't even lie to you. But yeah, man, this my baby, man, and she looking good. And also, I will go ahead and let y'all know, I will be upgrading the exhaust, because as y'all may or may not hear now, I got a muffler. I just got a muffler delete. Now I did order me some lower down pipes, 2.5 inch. I was gonna go 3, but I don't know if I'm gonna tune the car or not. I may or may not. But 9 out of 10, I might just throw like a off-the-shelf tune on it just to give it that little extra power, bro. Cause I'm like, at the end of the day, this ain't no race car. This ain't no car I'm trying to race. Of course, I do want it a little faster. Like, even if it's like red sport fast, like about 400, like a little over 400 or like 400 plus, you know, whatever the case may be, I do that. But yeah, I'm definitely like, I got some things in the works. Just everything take time. And then, like I said, I'm still building my truck. So y'all know how that go. Anybody who got 2 cars, trying to build 2 cars at once, it ain't cheap. And everything takes time and patience. So you gotta have patience with this. But like I said, as far as I done came, I done had this car about to be going on 3 years, and I got it to this point. So everything takes time and patience, man. You just gotta keep grinding and working. Work for what you want, man. You go get it. And like I said, we got bigger and better things. This is not what we're gonna stop at. We got more upgrades coming. We got more everything coming. So y'all make sure y'all tune in to my channel. Tune in on the grind, tune in on the come up. Watch me elevate and take this thing to a whole nother level, man.